Hello students, good morning. Welcome you all to a new video of Sunanda's tutorial. In this video, we will discuss about Fabaceae family. Botanical description of Fabaceae family, or traditionally which is called as Leguminosae or Papilionaceae family. Okay, pea family, commonly known as pea family, because the pea plant belongs to this family. So, what are the vegetative characteristic features? Habit is highly diverse, ranging from trees to shrubs to woody climbers, lianas and herbs. So, it varies in different species. Roots, these are typically taproot system that features specialized root nodules. So, root nodules present in the roots containing symbiotic nitrogen fixing bacteria. One of the most famous example of it is rhizobium, which help to fix nitrogen, atmospheric nitrogen, because the plants cannot absorb nitrogen from the environment directly. In our environment, abundant amount of nitrogen is there, approximately 78% of nitrogen in molecular form, but our plants cannot absorb those nitrogen directly. So those nitrogen first convert into nitrate or nitrite or ammonia, then plant can absorb nitrate, nitrite or ammonia or any compound of nitrogen from the soil. Okay, and in this process those nitrogen fixing bacteria help. Okay, and sometimes they leave forming symbiotic relationship with the plant root of this Leguminosae family or Fabaceae family. Leaves, the leaves are alternate, usually pinnately compound. Feather like leaves are there. Sometimes trifoliate leaves are there. The base of petiole is often swollen, called as polvinous. Remember this term, polvinous. That means swollen petiole. They generally have stipule. So these leaves are stipulate and petiolate. Stems sometimes erect, sometimes climbing. Okay. Next, floral characteristics. Inflorescence mostly racemose. Okay, but occasionally can be solitary axillary. Okay. Racemose, where the flower bud can grow indefinitely. Newly formed flowers are born on the top of the stem or bud. Flowers, then generally these are bisexual flowers which are complete, having all the holes, pentamerous flowers, where calyx, corolla all are in 5. Zygomorphic, that means it shows bilateral symmetrical. These are bilateral symmetrical. Calyx or sepals, the flowers have 5 sepals. Generally gamosepalous condition is observed. That means all the sepals are fused at the base with valvate or imbricate estivation. Then corolla, 5 petals are there which are polypetalous condition, which shows polypetalous condition. That means all the petals are free from each other. In the largest subfamily Fabaceae, they form papilionaceous shape. So this type of flower shows papilionaceous shape with descending imbricate or vexillary estivation. So in this type of estivation, they consist of 1 large outermost petal, 2 lateral petal and 2 innermost petals which are partially fused, boat shaped, enclosing the reproductive organs. So this type of estivation have 1 large which is called as standard or vexillum, 2 lateral petals called as wings and keel or carina, 2 innermost petal which are partially fused and boat shaped, enclosing the reproductive organs. So this is the structural features of the Leguminosae family flowers. Next, androecium or the male sex organ. This shows very typical arrangement which is called as diadelphous condition. So these flowers have totally 10 stamens, and which shows diadelphous condition means 9 stamens are fused with each other forming staminal tube with one separate posterior stamen. Okay. Though some variations also exist, some flowers show monoidelphous condition, that means all the stamens are fused with each other forming staminal tube. Then gynoecium or female sex organ which are superior shows monocarpellary condition with single carpel, which is unilocular with multiple ovules attached to the margin. So this pea plant generally and other members of Leguminosae family so marginal placentation. Okay. So this is the entire flowering branch of pea. This is the entire flower. These are parts of the flower. Then this is the transverse section of ovary. Here the open pod of pea plant. This is the floral diagram. Okay. Then fruits and seeds. The fruits are characteristic dry, dehiscent, called legume that typically split open along two sutures. Then seeds, one or many, hard coated, characteristically non-endospermic. So seeds are non-endospermic in case of Fabaceae family. So traditionally this Fabaceae family was called as Papilionaceae or Leguminosae family. But according to the rule of ICBN, the family name should end with ACEAE. So now it is called as Fabaceae family. Okay. And this Fabaceae family traditionally divided into 3 separate subfamily: Fabodidae, Caesalpinidae and Mimozoidae, now termed as Papilionidae, Caesalpiniaceae and Mimosaceae. Okay. These are 3 subfamilies under Fabaceae family. Okay. And this is the third most largest family of angiosperms. Okay. So it is all about Fabaceae family. I have tried to give some knowledge about Fabaceae family. So with this I am concluding my lecture video here. If you liked it, please hit the like button, share with your other friends and please subscribe to my channel Sunanda's Tutorial to get more videos like this. Thank you.